Hi students, in the last video, we did the first part of question from trigonometry, which was asked in 2019. So let us do the remaining questions. Okay, this question, the sixth question is very easy. It is given sin x plus sin y is equal to 2. You know that the maximum value of sin theta for any value of theta is 1. So here sin x must be 1 and sin y must be 1. So sin x is equal to sin y is equal to 1. So for what value of theta in between 0 to pi, sin x and sin y or sin theta is equal to 1, you know, it is pi by 2. So it is a very simple question. You are being asked to find out x plus y, which is nothing but pi. So answer for that question is option A. Okay. Okay. Now let us go to the next question. So seventh question. Okay. This question, it is given that sin x plus sin squared x is equal to 1. Okay, let us call this as equation 1. Okay, we can again, you can simplify this. So sin x is equal to 1 minus sin squared x. You know that 1 minus sin squared x is cos squared x. So let's call it as equation 2. Okay. Now you are being asked to find out value of the expression cos raised to 12x plus 3 cos raised to 10x plus 3 cos raised to 8x plus cos raised to 6x minus 1. So before using the first and second result, you have to simplify this. So from the first 4 terms, you can take cos raised to 6x as a common factor. So this is equal to cos raised to 6x. I am taking a common factor. So it is remaining here cos raised to 6x plus 3 cos raised to 4x. Again, plus 3 cos squared x plus 1, close the bracket, minus 1. So when you see the expression which is inside the bracket, this resembles the formula of a plus b whole cube. Okay, so this we can write as cos squared x plus 1 the whole cube minus 1. Okay, now you can club the terms in the factors in the first term. So we are writing this as cos squared x into cos squared x plus 1. I'm grouping it. Now I am writing the whole cube minus 1. Now I am using the result, which is the equation 2. Okay, so this is equal to instead of cos squared x, I am writing sin x. So it is sin x into sin x plus 1 the whole cube minus 1 from equation 2. Now I am opening the bracket, so we are getting sin squared x plus sin x the whole cubed minus 1. But sin squared x plus sin x is 1 from equation 1. So I am writing this as 1 cubed minus 1 from equation 1. So which is equal to 0. So it is a very good question. So answer for that question is option A. So 0. Okay. Next question. Okay. For solving this question, you have to use a formula. 2 pi by 7, 4 pi by 7, 6 pi by 7. The angles, just given the expression, they are in arithmetic progression. So this formula you have to remember. Cos A plus cos A plus D, the angles are in arithmetic progression. Cos A plus 2D plus etc. Cos A plus n minus 1 D, which is equal to cos A plus n minus 1 into D by 2 into sin n D by 2. The whole divided by sin D by 2. So with the help of this formula, we can simplify this. So express the given expression in the form of the formula. So we are getting first term is cos 2 pi by 7. Second term I am writing as cos 2 pi by 7 plus 2 pi by 7. That is 4 pi by 7. And third one, cos 2 pi by 7 plus 2 into 2 pi by 7. Okay. So by comparing with the formula, we are getting A is equal to 2 pi by 7. D is equal to 2 pi by 7, comma, n minus 1 is equal to 2. So which implies n equal to 3. Okay. Now, the given expression now will become, by using the formula, cos A plus 2 pi by 7 plus n minus 1 into 2 into D by 2. D by 2 is pi by 7. Into sin n D by 2. N is 3. D by 2 is pi by 7. The whole divided by sin D by 2 is pi by 7. So which is equal to cos 4 pi by 7 into sin 3 pi by 7 divided by sin pi by 7. Numerator again we are simplifying. This numerator I am making the angle same by using reduction formula. 4 pi by 7 I write as cos pi minus 3 pi by 7 into sin 3 pi by 7 divided by sin pi by 7. Cos pi minus theta is minus cos theta, second quadrant. So it is minus cos 3 pi by 7 into sin 3 pi by 7 divided by sin pi by 7. So numerator I can use the formula of sin 2 theta. So I multiply numerator with 2 and denominator also by 2. So numerator is in the form 2 sin theta cos theta. It is sin 2 into 3, 6 pi by 7 divided by sin pi by 7. Again, we continue simplifying the numerator. Sin 6 pi by 7, again we are using the reduction formula pi minus pi by 7. Here 2 is the 2 sin pi by 7. Okay. Now what is sin pi minus theta? It is sin theta only. Minus is already there. So sin pi by 7 divided by 2 sine pi by 7. Okay, sine pi by 7 is getting cancelled. So we are getting minus 1 by 2. Okay, simplification part is a little lengthy. But one thing for sure, you have to remember the formula for solving this question. It's a good question. Okay. Now, answer is option C. Okay, actually, this is from trigonometry, properties of triangles. It is not there now in the syllabus. Sometimes you might not have come across such R1, R2, and R3. They are nothing but x radii of a triangle. Okay. So what x radii, you refer the guide and all. Okay, then you will be getting the concept of what is x radii, what is in radius, etc., etc. And just giving you the formula concerned with solving this particular problem. So R1, R2, and R3 in a triangle. The formula is R1 is equal to delta by S minus. Delta is area of a triangle. You can use this formula to find out area of triangle. S minus B, R3 is delta by S minus C. What is S? It is semi-perimeter. That means A plus B plus C by 2. What are A, B, and C? They are sides of the triangle. Okay, side length of the triangle. So we are using this result for solving this particular question. So R1 by R2 is equal to, it is required in the question, R1 by R2 is R1 S minus B divided by S minus N. Now you require R1 by R3. R1 by R3 is S minus C divided by S minus. Okay. Now we are being, it is equation is given 1 minus R1 by R2 into 1 minus R1 by R3 is equal to 2, which implies 1 minus R1 by R2 is S minus B by S minus A into 1 minus R1 by R3 is S minus C divided by S minus. Is equal to, okay. We simplify this. So here in the numerator S is getting cancelled. So we are getting B minus A into C minus A. On RHS it is 2 into S minus A into S minus A, that is S minus A the whole. S minus A is 2 into S is A plus B plus C by 2 minus A the whole square. Okay, you will be getting 1 by 2 into B plus C minus A the whole square. So, which implies 2 into B minus A into C minus A, we open the bracket. BC minus BA minus AC plus A square equal to RHS, we are squaring it, B squared plus C squared plus A squared plus 2BC minus 2CA minus 2AB. On simplification, you will be getting a squared equal to b squared plus c squared. Okay. If A, B, C are sides of a triangle, then if this equation is being satisfied, therefore, this is nothing but Pythagoras theorem. Triangle is a right angle triangle, right angle hypotenuse is a right angled triangle. So you are being asked to find out what type of triangle it is. So it is a right angle triangle that is appearing as option A. Okay, so in 2019, there are some questions which is quite new. The concept is quite new for us. And 9 questions were asked in 2019. Okay, so good questions. See you in the next class. We will be solving questions which was asked in 2018. Okay, thank you.